So in this given session, I'm going to solve a particular concept of a circle, which is two tangent TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ equal to 2 times of OPQ. So what is given here? An external point T, an external point T, center O, and two tangent TP and TQ. So now I'm going to draw a figure to explain the given statement. This is a circle with center O. Okay. So what is given? Two tangent TP and TQ. Okay. From an external point T. Here this is, let be, it is an external point and name here T. And two tangent which is start from T. Okay. So let be, this is our first tangent, name P. And this is our second tangent, name Q. Okay. Now meet O to Q and O to P. So what we notice here? OP and OQ are two radii of this circle. Okay. Now P to Q. Okay. So this is the chord of a circle. This is center and these two are tangent. Okay. So first of all, notice one thing. Triangle OPQ. This triangle is isosceles triangle just because OP or OQ are two radii. So two sides are equal. Second thing, triangle PTQ are also isosceles triangle because TP and TQ are equal. So guys, isosceles triangle we already know, angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal side. These two side angles, so opposite angle from this side is angle P and OP is a side, so opposite angle from this side is Q. These two angles are equal. Now opposite angle of side TP is Q and opposite angle of TQ is P. So these two angles are equal. Okay guys, before starting to solve with this, I am going to recall you two theorem. What? The length of the tangent. The length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. These two equal. Okay. TP and TQ equal. And second theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle, is perpendicular the radius through the point of contact. Okay, so this contact point we can say this point of tangency. So now we can write here 90 degree. This is perpendicular. Okay, tangent is perpendicular on radius. So it is 90 degree. Now, given that TP and TQ are two tangent, a circle with center O. Prove that triangle PTQ is equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. PTQ double of OPQ. Double of OPQ. OPQ. If it is OPQ, then we can say OQP. Okay, this is double. This is double. Okay, now proof. Let angle OPQ be theta. We can say just because OPQ and OPQ equal to OQP. Okay, just because isosceles triangle. Okay, now we already know angle TPO is 90 degree. So angle TPO equal to 90 degree. Now exaggerate it. Angle TPQ plus angle QPO equal to 90 degree. Just notice one thing. TPQ plus QPO equal to 90 degree. Okay. So TPQ. Can we write here theta? Just because we already know OPQ is theta degree. Theta equal to 90 degree. So angle TPQ will be 90 minus theta. We can find the remaining angle here. So TPQ, this angle 90 minus theta. And this is also be 90 minus theta. Now, in triangle TPQ is a isosceles triangle. Okay, so angle PTQ plus angle TQP plus angle QPT equal to 180 degree. Just because sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now we can say what? PTQ plus TQP will be 90 minus theta. We already find out the value of TQP and 90 minus theta also TPQ. Just because these two angles are equal. Equal to 90 degree. Now transposing and find out the value of angle PTQ 180. 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree and theta minus theta and transpose there equal to plus 2 theta. Subtract 180 to 180 gives 0 and this will be 2 theta. Now we can say angle PTQ will be 2 theta. So now can we put the value, replace the value theta as a angle what? Angle what we write here? Angle OPQ, of course. Multiply OPQ. Therefore, we proved what? Angle PTQ is equal to 2 times of angle OPQ. Now proved.